Hello and welcome to another episode of Mimosa's How-To Videos with me, Dustin Stock. So today we'll be installing a C5C radio on this roof with a 30 dBi dish, and to finish the installation we'll be using our new app. Because we're 5 miles away from our A5C antenna, we're going to be putting a non-penetrating roof mount here on the peak of this roof with the 30 dBi dish we have over there, and we have line of sight to our tower that's over that direction, and we've got our guy Eric here. He's doing a site survey test with an MTI 24 dBi antenna with the app. We're just testing to make sure how good the signal is going to be at this point. So we're using a Baird non-penetrating roof mount. It's meant for peaks of roofs, so it kind of angles over the peak of the roof, held down with some bricks. This is 2-inch diameter pipe that will hold the 30 dBi dish sitting over there. It's about 2 foot in diameter, and it'll sit on top of that non-penetrating roof mount pointing back 5 miles to Carmel Valley. So now we're going to use the app to configure the radio through the G2, and then we're going to align the dish after that to finish our installation. So I will type in my Mimosa Cloud username and password. Don't look, people, don't look at my stuff. Don't log in my account. Alright, so we're logged into the app, so let's go ahead and unlock our C5. Here you can either scan your QR code or type in the code manually. I'm going to go ahead and type mine in manually. And then now that we're unlocked, I'm going to have to unlock via G2. And you do need to allow your device to find your location so you can have the most accurate GPS. Choose your G2 and then connect. If it's a brand new G2, of course you'll need to enter the password off of the card that comes in the G2 box, or it's also labeled on the top of the G2. Okay, so the device is unlocked. And that will bring us to our configuration screen. So now we're going to run through configuring this radio. Device name will be whatever you want your device's name to be on the cloud or in the radio when you log in. And then it's going to use your current location by default. And then next. This is where you can either choose to enter a static IP or just use DHCP. For me, I'm going to use a static IP. See, I'm not perfect. I forget my IP addresses sometimes. And that's that right there's a gotcha. So usually the IP, then it comes subnet and then gateway, but in the app it's IP gateway subnet, so just make sure you watch that or it's going to configure your radio incorrectly. Alright, so now we come to the wireless settings screen. You can either do a site survey to look for the access point you're looking for, or you can type in the credentials manually. It's going to be any 5 gig network in your area that is going to pop up on your phone here. So we're going to back out, and I'm going to type my manual information in. All right, next screen, it asks for the management password. So this is what you use to log into the radio. Alright, so now we have check marks next to everything that we've set up, so we'll hit save. It's going to ask you to make a preset. If you want to make a preset for your radio, hit save and apply. Otherwise, just hit apply. And now we wait for the configuration to set on the radio, so it's about a 2-minute reboot time. Okay, so now the configuration has been applied, so now the device is rebooting. Now that our configuration has been applied, it brings us back to the configuration screen. If your radio is connected, it'll show connected to the access point right below where it says your C5 is unlocked. And if that is the case, then you can go ahead and aim your C5 if you'd like.
Minus 34 dBm.
So we're at minus 34 dBm.
Minus 35 dBm.
So that's pretty warm. Other than that, if you're done aiming, you can hit back and then finish installation. And that's it. Setting it up with the app is quick and easy, 5 minutes. Configuration time and a couple of minutes align time. That's about it.